Hello, today we talk about the SCADA system. What means SCADA? SCADA means the supervisor, control, and data acquisition. SCADA is a technology that enables users to collect data from a remote facility and send control instruction to the remote facility. SCADA has the four elements: RTU, MTU, model, and telemetry is called radio. RTU means the remote terminal unit. Every SCADA system will have a lot of RTU. So here is RTUS. Sometimes we call RTU is slaver. MTU means master terminal unit. This is the master terminal unit. Sometimes we call it the master. Here is RTU connection model. Model connects radio, receive, and transmitter. Then radio send the signal, and that collect the signal from the MTU radio. Okay, this was communication. RTU has two functions. It must communication with MTU, also must communication with field sensor. This is sensor and actuator that connect to it. MTU scanned each RTU. RTU scanned each of sensor and actuator that are connected to it. RTU scanned is at a much higher rate than scanned by the MTU. For example, RTU scanned every time may be 0.1 megasecond, but MTU scanned may be 1 megasecond. Communication, MTU and RTU all they have two media, the radio and the landline. This one MTU, this was RTU. Here is operator station. This use the SCADA software to create HMI. This operator can use this HMI to control everything. Okay, here. Here is this PLC is the MTU. Is use the module is landline connection to the RTU, or use the radio connected to the MTU. Okay, every RTU connected to the field device is actuator, sensor, switch, and motor. This RTU is similar as the PLC. It has the power supply, its CPU, its memory, its analog and digital input-output module. Also, its connection model. Model is connected to the radio transmitter receive. Okay. It's RTU and the field communication. It has three routes of communication between talk and listening. Talk is the RTU. Listening just the field device. It's the first rule is talk and listen must use the same media. For example, if the instrumentation going to use twist copper wire, the RTU must use twist copper wire. If the instrumentation going to use optic fiber, the RTU must use optic fiber. The media must be the same. Also, talk and listening must be the same language. If you use 4 to 20 mA, is the signal, you always use the same. If you in the side device use 4 to 20 MA. So in the RTU, you have to figure out is use 4 to 20 MA. Also, if you, for example, use 0 to 20 MA, the 0.5 voltage, so you have to figure out in the RTU. So talk must not talk when someone else is talking. Just one time talk, but no, it's always separate. It doesn't matter. Okay. RTU MTU communication. MTU, RTU we always call data terminate equipment. Is module we call data communication equipment. So every MTU connection is have module. Every RTU have the module. So every module have the radio. Radio just communication each other. MTU is master terminal unit. Sometimes we call host computer or SCADA server. MTU must send information to each RTU. It almost uses the same media that RTU use to send information to it. It also uses the same protocol as the RTU. So that's why all so MTU as RTU how they use the same media on the same protocol. Here is the SCADA system in the pipeline. For example, is MTU want to get information data, just send the instruction to the RTU. RTU got the instruction from MTU, then collect the data from flow transmitter. Then give the CPU is figure out, send the signal go to the control wall. Control wall is done. Then RTU collect the information, send back to the MTU. This is all the system, okay? This is all the same thing. So today we just talk about briefly is the SCADA system. It has just 4 elements: RTU, MTU, module, telemetry. So is every SCADA system is running the operator PC. We just use SCADA software to create the screen. Yeah, okay. Thank you very much.